If you want to maintain your privacy while using the Uber app, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy Settings. In the Account section, look for Privacy or Privacy Settings. This is where you can manage your visibility and online status preferences. Step 4. Adjust online status. Find the option related to your online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users or drivers, depending on what options are available. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting the settings, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings menu and return to the main screen of the app. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status on the Uber app, ensuring a more private experience.